Welcome to session 58 of Accounting 1, BBA first semester. In this class, we will learn about the discounting of the bill of exchange with the banker and the retirement of the bill under rebate. So, we have already learned how to renew the bill and how to calculate the interest on such delayed payment and the respective accounting treatment in the books of the drawer, acceptor, and the endorsee. In this class, we will learn how to use a bill for discounting purposes with the bank for advance and how to retire a bill under rebate. So what is discounting of the bill? If the holder of the bill needs funds, he can approach the bank for encashment of the bill before due date. ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಆ ಬಿಲ್ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೊತ್ತದ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎನ್ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್. ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ದ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ಯಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ in case of emergency where the bill can be encashed with the banker for some small charges called discount and immediate financial requirements can be satisfied. On behalf, once the bill is discounted with the bank, the banker becomes the payee and is eligible to collect the amount on the due date. So journal entries for discounting of the bill has been given. The first two transactions are similar to the basic journal entries of bills of exchange, that is, in case of the drawer, debtors account, debtor to sales account, where the debt arises. In acceptance of the debt, a bill receivable is received from the debtor. So the entry will be bills receivable account, debtor to debtors account. Now, once the bill is received, the drawer can go to the bank and get it discounted. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಲ್ ನ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಹಣ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫುಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿನ ಖರ್ಚು. ಸೊ 1%, 2% ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. Bank will pay you some amount which will be debited to bank account. You will have to incur some expenses, the banker's charges, which will be called discount. Discount is an expense in nature, so should be debited. Bills receivable now goes out of your hand to the banker. The banker becomes the official receiver. So bills receivable is no more your asset, so it has to be reduced. So it should be cancelled. The entry will be bank account debtor to discount account. However, no entry will be found in the books of the acceptor for such discounting. On maturity of the bill, if the acceptor has paid the money to the banker on time, there is no entry which is going to be passed in the books of the drawer further. However, if the drawee does not pay the amount, then the banker will charge the drawer's account along with the noting charges. Then the entry will be debtor's account to debtor to bank account. Here debtor is none other than the acceptor of the bill. He shall become a debtor again, and his account shall be debited with the credit given to bank account along with the noting charges. Noting charges are to be borne by the acceptor. So in case of the acceptor, bills payable account debtor, noting charges account debtor to creditors account will be the journal entry. Now let us understand what is retirement of a bill. Retirement of the bill where occurs when the payer of the bill desires to make the payment before its maturity date. Then And if the holder of the bill accepts to do so, agrees to do so, the bill is said to have been retired. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿನ ಮೊದಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮುಗಿಸುವ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ ಹಣವನ್ನ ನಿಗದಿತ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ, ರಿಟೈರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಈ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಗೆ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. Retirement of the bill ensures that the holder gets the cash well in advance. Hence, the holder encourages this retirement of the bill by allowing some discount or allowing some rebate on this bill for the period between the date of retirement and the maturity. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ 10,000 ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ 9,800 ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ರಿಬೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ನಿಗದಿತ ದರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗ್ತದೆ. The accounting treatment on the retirement of a bill is similar to the accounting treatment when the bill is honored by the acceptor in the due course. However, the difference is, in case of retirement of a bill, rebate is granted to the acceptor or the payer of the bill by the holder of the bill. So, the journal entry here in case of retirement will be cash is received well in advance. The holder is offering a rebate or discount. He is agreeing to give some additional discount and accept lesser amount than the real bill amount. So, cash account debtor, rebate on bills account debtor to bills receivable account. And in the books of the drawee, he is making the payment for the bills payable account debtor to cash account. There is a mistake here. Bills payable account debtor to cash account to rebate on bills account. So, the correct journal entry is bills payable account debtor to cash account. Cash goes out of the hand to bills rebate on bills account. Rebate is nothing but an income for the drawee. Let us understand how to provide for treatment of retirement of the bill with the help of a problem. On January 1st, 2020, Shaila sold goods to Vishal for rupees 10,000 and drew upon him a bill for 2 months. Vishal accepted the bill and returned it to Shaila. On the date of maturity, the bill was dishonored by Vishal. Noting charges incurred by rupees 100. Record the necessary entries if Shaila had discounted it with the bank for a discount of rupees 200. So, in this particular video, we will learn about discounting of the bill and renewal of the bill and the rebate will be learned in the next session. The first entry will be for selling of goods to Vishal on credit. So, the entry will be in the books of Shaila, Vishal's account debtor to sales account. In turn, he accepts a bill and gives the bill to Shaila. So, Shaila is receiving a bill. So, the journal entry will be bills receivable account debtor to Vishal's account. Once the bill is received, Shaila discounts it with the bank. So, bank is going to pay only 9,800. 200 will be deducted as discount. So, debit what comes in, cash is coming in. So, bank account is getting cash of rupees 9,800. Bank is receiving 9,800 rupees. Our bank account is credited by rupees 9,800. So, bank account has to be bank account is the receiver. Rupees 9,800 is debited. Discount is an expense in connection with discounting of the bill. So, this is a expenditure the drawer has to bear if he wants cash well in advance. Bills receivable now becomes asset of the banker. No more it is our asset. So, asset value goes down. So, to bills receivable account. 9,800, 200, 10,000. Finally, on March 4th, the banker says that the bill has been dishonored by Vishal. So, Vishal was who had given the bill is now becoming the payee again. So amount is due from Vishal. So Vishal's account has been debited. And the banker shall collect the money from our bank account directly. So the money goes from the bank. So bank account is going to be credited along with the noting charges. In the books of Vishal, there will be entries, three entries. The first one is for purchase of goods from Shaila, purchase account debtor to Shaila's account, acceptance of the bill, Shaila's account debtor to bills payable account, and for dishonor of the bill, bills payable account debtor 10,000, noting charges account debtor 100 to Shaila's account as the bill accepted has been dishonored. These are the few entries in case of discounting of the bill. In the next session, we will learn about renewal of the bill, and thereafter we will have a session on retirement of a bill under rebate. Thank you.